Welcome to the 17th and final video in this multi-part series on why and how to cool down your twin cam in Milwaukee 8 engine. You're probably used to seeing Kevin, but he's behind the camera right now, and I'm going to walk you through what we've been over. It's been a long journey, a lot of crucial, important information given out, and if you guys have any questions about any of these videos, you can always ask them in the comments below. You can always give us a call or shoot us an email to support@dkcustomproducts.com. We'll try to link every one of the previous videos within the clip in the card above.
The whys of cooling down your twin cam and M8 engine. Very simple. The bike you spent all that money on is going to last longer. It's going to have more power. It being cooler, radiating less heat on you, you're going to be more comfortable, and it's going to get better miles per gallon. If you've spent $15, $20, $30, $40, even $50,000 on your Harley, and it's just a heat monster, not comfortable ride, this video is for you. The majority of touring bikes and softails out there that have been made from 2007 forward that have 10,000 miles or more will fail Harley's leak down test. Harley's in a catch-22. They have to. They cannot put out a vehicle that does not meet EPA standards. And yes, they could go to a water-cooled engine and then it wouldn't have the heat problems. But who of you watching this video want a fully water-cooled engine? Over the years, we've had a lot of people tell us we don't know what we're talking about regarding cooling the engines down. Harley knows what they're doing. They test the bikes, you know, for thousands of miles in 110-degree heat in Arizona, and you know, the Harley engineers and designers, you know, can't be wrong, and how can we know better? Well, I'm pretty sure the Harley engineers do know that they're making a bike that's going to self-destruct if it runs how it runs from the factory, but they can't do anything about it. Did you know that aluminum alloy castings rapidly start losing strength at 350 degrees? So what do you think's happening to your Harley? And in this video, we're going to talk about some of the often ignored or little known secrets that you just never hear about from most mechanics, but they play a huge role in both how much power your engine generates and how long that engine is going to last. Before we look at what Harley has to say, the misconception that 275 to 325 and the bikes are running just fine is not helped at all by all the master techs at all the dealerships saying that it's perfectly normal, you know, they come from the factory, you don't need to worry about that. And so when you look at a bike without a tank lift, you can't even see the top part of the engine because the tank is coming over the top of the engine and trapping all that heat in there. And so by lifting the tank up, that heat is no longer trapped. Why should you have an external breather system? Well, we're going to put up on the screen right here what an engine looks like inside without an external breather system, and then the same engine with an external breather system. Is a huge, huge difference in what it looks like. But this video right here is going to be just regarding how exhaust plays into helping your engine run cooler, or how some exhausts make your engine run hotter. But today we're just going to talk about tuners in regards to how they affect getting your engine to run cooler. There's two main things that tuners do. One is they change the AFR, the air-fuel ratio, how much fuel is mixed with the air. And the other thing they do is they change the timing. Now we're going to get into the meat of this video. Today we're going to talk about two things. One is an oil filter relocation, and the other is a permanent oil filter. Whether it comes with a factory oil cooler or not, whatever situation you're in, we have an oil cooler that will fit, and it is important. Oil is the lifeblood of the engine. So these puppies spool up like a jet. They're pretty loud when the engine's not running. But you get that engine running. This video is actually a bonus video. It's not really about how to cool down your twin camera Milwaukee 8 engine. It's how to reduce felt heat in your twin cam and Milwaukee 8 bike.
Hopefully some or all of those videos were helpful to you guys. If you like the video, please hit subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be updated when we come out with future videos. If you have any ideas for a multi-part series you would like to see, please let us know. And share this video with your friends. It might help them out. Y'all ride safe out there.